Welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at how to remove the front wheel on Yamaha FZ6 Fazer. So if you're interested, then stick around. Before we go ahead and remove the front wheel, what we need to do first is jack up the bike, obviously, because we are going to remove the front wheel. Now the way I've done it, I've got a center stand, which makes my life a lot easier. So I just lifted the bike and just chucked in a log under the exhaust manifold. It's plenty strong enough to hold the bike. So I get asked quite frequently, oh, what size spanner did you use on that? What size Allen key did you use on that? This time I'm going to show you exactly what tools are you going to need to remove your front wheel. Firstly, and most importantly, you'll need this. It's like a massive hex key, Allen key. It ranges from 17mm to 24. Now, why you need this is you need to undo the axle. It's a 19mm internal hex. So good fucking luck on doing it without this tool. I'll drop a link in the description below that you will need a 17mm socket, because that goes onto the other vent. You might not get away with a ratchet, so I've got a beefy breaker bar here. You need a 6mm Allen key to undo the pinch bolts on the left hand side fork leg. If you don't undo this, you won't be able to undo the axle, because this literally pinches on the axle. You'll also need a 12mm socket to undo the two brake caliper bolts. Now, you can remove the wheel without taking the calipers off, but trust me, it's going to make your life a lot easier if you just take off the brake calipers, especially when you put the wheel back. Now, it goes without saying that you want to remove the brake caliper on the other side as well. You don't need to worry about the axle on this side, because it literally threads in to the fork leg. You don't need to remove this bolt completely, you just need to loosen it. Okay, that's unthreaded all the way. All we need to do is pull out the axle and the wheel will just drop out. Now, before we end this video, just bear in mind that you've got some spacers, and on some makes and models, them two spacers are not the same length. In my case, they're exactly the same, so it doesn't really matter on which side you put them in. But just bear in mind, your bike might be different. Actually, what I do is when I remove the axle, I take the spacers out and I chuck them on the axle in the exact same order they came out. And that's how you remove the wheel on a motorcycle. I hope you enjoyed that, folks. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. And as always, take care, and I'll see you in a bit.